Please like, comment, and subscribe. I currently have 9 subscribers, so you could be the double-digit rollover person. Thank you. All right, here's my little device. Here we got a loop so you can tie your bird feeder or your flag to it, S-hook, string, whatever. We've got a larger open end that's sized to go over a branch, and then we've got a smaller open end which fits in a piece of tubing so you can take it off and on easily. You just tie your little bird feeder to there, and now you're hanging your bird feeder. If you want to do it super high, you can get yourself a 10-foot stick of electrical conduit for like, I think it's like $4. And so then it just goes in there, and then you use that to put, imagine the branch. And then when you want to take it off, you do it like that. And then, maybe you don't have conduit around. So I just looked around me and I said, what are the first 2 things I can grab that will allow me to put these hangers up really high? And what I saw was a broom and an empty peanut jar. So you could do it like that too, no problem. And I could probably put this 12 feet up with just this, and if you use conduit or something, you can go much farther. All right, let's see how it works. Okay, I'm just looking around for a random branch that's too high to easily reach. I'm thinking that guy there. Can't see the ground here, but you would not want to put a ladder here, and if you had to take it down and up every day, you definitely wouldn't want to be moving the ladder around. So let's just see if this broom handle and peanut jar works. Okay, and you can, if you wanted it here, you just use a longer string. Let's see how easy it is to take off. Easy peasy parcheesy. All right, I'm going to make some things so that you can easily hang decorative objects from trees, but you don't have to get out your ladder, which is kind of a pain. There's the first one I made. I think it's going to work. I'm making it out of this stuff. This is it's like fencing wire that I got from a garage sale. It's kind of thick. It's probably like, I don't know, 10 gauge or something. I think it has to be a certain amount of thickness so it'll kind of hold its shape against the elements. Alright, let's do this. Okay, I cut myself a 30-inch piece here. I don't think the tolerances are a big deal, so all sorts of sizes would probably work. Alright, I made a mark at 15 inches. I'm just going to have 2 equal sides, because why not? I was thinking about making one side a little longer, but screw it. This is easy to think about. Okay, there's my mark. I'm going to bend it by hand to start it. I want it to be tighter than that, so I'm going to use some various tools. I think that's good. This is where you attach your string, so string will definitely fit through there. Put it in the vise, and you can twist it by hand, but you get a tighter twist if you use a tool to do it. I always like to do righty-tighty. You're a drain on society if you do it the other direction. I think 2 good twists is enough. And you kind of want these to be pointing up the same way. And I'm just going down an arbitrary amount, maybe, probably about 5 inches or something here. Going to kind of start it again. And give it another twist. more for good measure. Okay, now you need them going straight up and down again. Yeah, so you need one side that basically goes straight down to go into a conduit or pipe or whatever you got. And then the other one needs to be more of a big loop so it can go over a branch. And there we go. Well, if you're going to make one, make a lot more than one. I wish I had a Disney princess flag, but what I do have is a Disney princess bag. So that's what I'm going to use to demonstrate. Okay, this is basically just for demonstration purposes. I'm sure you can find something better than 1-inch copper pipe, but that's just what I had lying around. And the branch I'm going to hang this on is not a branch that I would normally hang stuff from. But here goes. Alright, it's hanging pretty good. I'm going to try and take it down now. I don't know if it'll work good for that. If it doesn't, you may never see this part of the video. I'm going to say that is acceptable. Sweet. Alright, let's try something higher. That branch is definitely over 10 feet up there. This is just a 1-inch copper pipe. That's what I had lying around. But you get the idea, just get any sort of pipe. Try to go to a place where there's a bunch of little branches. Okay, you probably don't want one that high up, but if you did, it's pretty easy. You can get it down wherever you want. The larger the diameter of the pipe or the peanut container or whatever makes it easier to get it down. So